Hello, we're back on the Trolex shop floor to introduce you to our brand new Air XS Silica Monitor. The Trolex Air XS Silica Monitor, produced with the support from the Centre for Work Health Safety, is a massive step forward in health and safety technology. It's the world's first real-time silica monitor. And just like our other particulate monitors, it's extremely low maintenance and very easy to use. Getting started couldn't be easier. To turn your Air XS Silica Monitor on, connect your device to a mains power supply and your Air XS will initialise and instantly start measuring the silica levels around you, testing every second and reporting averages across time periods from 15 minutes to 12 hours, sending real-time data to your Trolex Breathe software. And if you don't have a main supply or want the flexibility to move your Air XS around, then it can be instantly connected with the Trolex Transportable Pack to give you 24 hours of fully flexible RCS monitoring. Your device has a selectable alarm channel that can be assigned in just a few seconds on the device menu according to your local legislated limits. Data can be imported directly to your PC via Breathe software, or you can even download directly from your Air XS device via USB whenever you want. An Air XS style USB. See, told you it was easy. Well, that's it for this video. Be sure to check out our next video where I'll be showing you how to carry out your compliance test. But before that though, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button to be notified when we post new videos. See you next time.